Well, we got another package. Alright, let's go check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing, or in this case, unbagging video. As you can see, we got something from Varusteleka.com. They're out of Finland, and they have gear for less, obviously. So, we gotta get you out of the way here. And let's go ahead and open this. So Varusteleka.com does ship internationally through different methods. This came via DHL very quickly. It was actually here in less than a week after ordering. So, here, and no manifest, so I might be winging it here just a little bit. I do have a, looks like a Beret out of Germany. It was listed as a Finnish service Beret, so I might repurpose it for something. This is in the back, so we'll orient this way. And here's the badge supporter right there. Okay, got it. Go through quick since we don't have an exact manifest. This looks like a belt. Let's take off the elastic. Set this aside. Looks like a East German black leather belt, service belt. Buckle, and it would hook up like so. Pretty good at that. Nice. Yeah, I was just looking for some odds and ends accessories to complete some stuff. This, my, 1962. This is a French Mat 49 magazine holder. You can see how it holds 5 magazines in there. I repurpose this for something else. That length does have some heft to it. There's some pretty heavy canvas. You can see metal buckles. Clip on to something else. So let's see what this is real quick. Okay. Looks like a shirt of some sort. This is a French C2 Desert, I believe, or CCE. F2 Desert? No, I'm not going to say. It's just French Desert long sleeve. How about we call it that? Since I don't have the exact description, I'm not going to put any false facts on it. We'll just go by observation only. Villefranche 2000 anti-moustique. So there must be some sort of anti-mosquito coating on here. Interesting. I'll wash my hands afterwards. Magico. Okay, so snaps on the cuffs. Okay. I don't feel anything up the sleeves to help with rolling. Nope, basic sleeve. We do have shoulders with buttons. There is a top button at the collar, so it will button all the way to the top. Let's see. Okay, so the buttons are covered once we start heading lower. Here's rank Velcro area. Let's see how the buttons are actually covered by this front piece here. And this. Way down. Okay, how far down do the buttons? Oh, look at that. There's Velcro at the bottom to cinch that up. I think we still got a couple more buttons here. We haven't gone all the way. Oh, there's one more. Okay. Alright, so yeah. So starting bottom Velcro, button, all the way to the top. Let's see how that is here. The Velcro on this side. And then work your way back out. Like I said, there's a reinforcement point there. Followed by another one. Oh, this is every buttonhole reinforced. Interesting. Okay. So pocket-wise, zippers, vertical. And then they go this way. Not very deep. Going up to here. Symmetrical on this side. Zipper pull is PKM. You can see that. No pockets on the sleeves. Again, snaps, 2 snaps. And then have a tan. Those feel like metal with some sort of plastic coating over it. Let's take a look at the back of this real quick. No vents in the pits. Pretty much a, well, no, it is a taper cut. Slight taper down this way. And because there it is slightly elasticized as well. Interesting. So it tries to bind closer to the waist, maybe help keep dust, etc. Possibly even bugs out. Help with, let's see, there be any guarantees, of course. Okay, so yeah, nothing really special on the inside, no hidden pockets that I can see. Alright, so just to quickly round out, I had also ordered some stuff from Varusteleka again. Let's do that. So we'll put loose stuff inside a plastic bag, which is always useful. I ordered some of this stuff. It's a double-sided hook and latch. I'm going to try something out with this, cut this into sections and help bind something. I have a use for that I jury-rig something right now, so you can use that to get around that. So you can see these are zipper pulls, the 10-pack. We'll thread these on some bags and stuff where gloves would be used, or if it'd be cold and wet hands, would be harder to deal with. Here's some double cord retention. Escapes me what the exact term is, but you stick 2 cords in and help them from slipping inside your garments and being unretrievable, at least without taking time. And then these ones are also 10 zipper pulls, but instead of them being olive, these are darker colored. So, pretty cheap stuff. So working backwards, again, some of these cord retention tools, 2 types of zipper pulls. We're going to go on some garments and some other gear with zippers. In fact, did this actually benefit? Maybe possibly. But this is more warm weather gear, so I don't see for. Oh, it already has that. So let's see how these are actually kind of. I'm not going to pull them apart, of course, but you can see how that is designed that way. Keep that from separating. Don't know how that'll last over time. Only time will tell. So again, French desert camo long sleeve shirt. Matte 49, I believe, magazine pouch. Pretty cool. Very heavy canvas material. Oh, is this? Ah! Haha! Voila. Which way does this go, though? We'll figure it out. Something like maybe this. Ooh, that kicked off some dust. Who knows how long this has been in storage for. Wow. Well, 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 we figured it out. Nice. I'm glad I took a few extra seconds to show you that. A little bit of color transfer. And the way it adds the cool factor to it. You see how those are attached. Very interesting. All metal. Okay, and we did have a German-made, listed as a Finnish service beret, size 59, all wool, and feels new. Hasn't been shaped or shaved, as they say. Fluff, please. Anyways, all this came from Varusteleka.com. A little unboxing or unbagging video. And out of Finland, they do ship internationally. So check them out. They always have a large variety of items. And we do other unboxing, unbagging videos. Feel free to check those out in the playlist. We also do some specific show and tell of specific items, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy objects. Feel free to check those out, as well as like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.